Cleanup is a really important part of working in the studio. Here's what you need to do when you're cleaning up after working on the clean side of the studio, the drawing tables. First job is to take your project and put it somewhere safe. Then you need to take all your tools and materials and put them in the proper place. If you have anything left over on your table that you don't need anymore, take care of that. Paper for recycling or anything that goes into the trash. Remember, these small pieces of paper can go into the recycle bin. After that, take the Greenworks bottle, spray down your table, and you can use a paper towel or a rag or a sponge, and you want to clean your table. Even if it seems like it's already clean, go ahead and spray it down and clean it up. Make sure the table is completely dry and free of all debris. If there's something that's hard to get out, a little spot or a smudge, you can get one of the scrubby sponges and scrub a little extra to make sure it's clean for the next person. Then take a look at the floor. Right in here is a small dustpan and broom to help you take care of things on the floor. We also have larger brooms if you have more to clean up than just a small amount. But once all of your place is totally clean, then you can look around the room and see, is there anybody else who needs help with their cleanup?